Hello everybody. In this video, I will show you how to create a template in Notion. Creating templates in Notion can significantly enhance your productivity, especially when managing multiple projects or collaborating with a team. Notion's versatile platform allows you to streamline tasks, organize information, and make your workflow more efficient. So whether you're handling personal projects or working on team collaborations, understanding how to create a template in Notion is a game changer. Let's get started. First, let's head over to Notion's website. If you're not familiar with Notion, it's an all-in-one workspace where you can write, plan, collaborate, and get organized. It combines features like notes, tasks, and wikis all in one app, making it a brilliant tool for managing your work and personal life. Once you're on the homepage, the first step is to log into your account. You'll find the login button on the main page. Just give it a click. If you prefer to use Google for logging in, Notion has made this easy for you. You'll see an option to continue with Google. Select this, and you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you want to use. Make sure it's the account you plan to use with Notion, so everything stays organized. After logging in, you'll arrive at your Notion workspace. This is where all your pages and content are stored, and where you can begin customizing your documents extensively. And this is exactly where our template creation process kicks off. To create a template, first, select and click on the page you want to work with. If you're starting from scratch, you might create a new page. However, for this demonstration, let's dive into an existing page. Here's where the exciting part begins. On your chosen page, you'll start the template creation process by typing / followed by the word button. This command tells Notion that you want to add a new element, specifically a button. After typing /button, you'll see options pop up. From these, select Button, and this will place a button on your page. But a button on its own is just the start. It needs an action to be useful, right? Absolutely. So, the next step is to click on Add Action to the button you've just created. Now, you might be wondering what an action is. In Notion, an action is what happens when you click the button. For our template, you'll want to select Insert Blocks. This particular action allows the button to insert predetermined blocks of content or other elements you've set up in advance. Once you choose Insert Blocks, the next step is to define what these blocks are. This is where you decide what your template will contain. It could be a structured layout for meeting notes, a project plan outline, or even a daily journaling prompt. Be as detailed as you need to be when you type in the content blocks you want the button to generate. This detailed setup is what makes Notion templates so powerful and useful. After you're satisfied with the content and structure you've set, click Done. This finalizes the command for the button, and just like that, you've created a customized button that acts as your very own Notion template. Each time you click on this button, it will automatically generate the blocks or actions you've assigned to it. Just imagine the time you'll save and the consistency you'll maintain across your projects and documentation. In conclusion, what we've done today is unlock a small yet significant part of Notion's capabilities. The beauty of Notion lies in its flexibility and how you can tailor it to fit your needs. From creating simple to-do lists to managing an entire organization's workflow, it scales with your requirements. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment with Notion, the better you'll become at leveraging its full potential. So go ahead, start creating, start organizing, and most importantly, start simplifying your work life. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to create a template in Notion quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.